Hi, welcome to our channel, Forensic 360. Today we are going to study about the branches of forensic science. Forensic science applies scientific principles to analyze evidence and solve crimes. It combines biology, chemistry, physics, and psychology to examine DNA, fingerprints, bloodstains, and other evidence, helping investigators reconstruct crimes and bring perpetrators to justice. Forensic science is a vast field with multiple specialized branches that help in criminal investigations and legal proceedings. 1. Forensic pathology determines the cause of death through autopsies. 2. Forensic toxicology analyzes drugs, poisons, and chemicals in the body. 3. Forensic anthropology examines skeletal remains for identification. 4. Forensic odontology identifies individuals using dental records. 5. Forensic entomology uses insects to estimate the time of death. 6. Forensic DNA analysis matches DNA to suspects or victims. 7. Digital forensics investigates cybercrimes and electronic evidence. 8. Forensic ballistics studies firearms, bullets, and wounds. 9. Forensic psychology assesses criminal behavior and mental states. 10. Forensic linguistics analyzes language for legal evidence. As we all know that forensic science is a multidisciplinary field that applies scientific principles to criminal and civil laws. It encompasses a wide range of disciplines, each playing a crucial role in investigating and solving crimes. From analyzing DNA to examining digital evidence, forensic science provides invaluable insights to the justice system. This presentation will guide you through 10 key branches of forensic science, exploring their unique contributions and applications. So, we are going to have a short look into this. The first branch is forensic pathology, which unveils the cause of a death. Whether it is natural or planned means murder, suicide, or homicide. Forensic pathology involves the examination of deceased individuals to determine the cause and manner of death. Forensic pathologists perform autopsies, analyze injuries, and identify diseases or trauma. They work closely with law enforcement to determine if a death was natural, accidental, suicidal, or homicidal. Their findings are crucial in criminal cases, insurance claims, and legal proceedings. They also analyze tissue samples and toxicology reports to detect any substances that may have contributed to death. By autopsies and examination, forensic pathology is central to determining the cause and manner of death through autopsies and meticulous examination of deceased individuals. Pathologists analyze injuries, identify diseases, and discern whether a death resulted from natural causes, accident, suicide, or homicide. Next is its crucial legal role. Their findings play a pivotal role in criminal cases, insurance claims, and legal proceedings, offering critical insights into the circumstances surrounding a death. They analyze tissue samples and toxicology reports to detect any substances that contributed to the death. Now move to next branch, which is forensic toxicology. Forensic toxicology focuses on detecting and analyzing drugs, alcohol, poisons, and other chemicals in biological samples like blood, urine, and tissues. This branch is essential in cases involving drug overdoses, poisoning, and impaired driving. Toxicologists determine the presence and concentration of toxic substances and their effects on the body. Their expertise is crucial in legal cases, workplace safety investigations, and sports doping analysis. Next is forensic anthropology, which deals with the study of human skeletal remains to determine age, sex, ancestry, and cause of death. This branch is vital in cases of mass disasters, unidentified bodies, and historical investigations. Anthropologists use bone analysis to estimate the time of death and identify trauma or disease. Their work is crucial in criminal investigations, missing persons cases, and war crime analyses. Forensic odontology examines dental records, bite marks, and oral structures for identification, crucial in mass disasters and crime scenes. Forensic odontologists compare dental evidence with records to confirm identities, aiding in the identification of victims and of known remains. The analysis of bite marks on victims helps link suspects to crimes, providing valuable evidence in legal proceedings. Forensic entomology is the study of insects and other arthropods found on decomposing bodies to estimate the time since death, also known as the postmortem interval (PMI). Different insect species, particularly flies and beetles, are attracted to a body at specific stages of decomposition, colonizing it in a predictable sequence. By analyzing the type, life cycle stage, and population of these insects, forensic entomologists can provide crucial information about the time and circumstances of death. This branch of forensic science is particularly valuable in homicide investigations, cases of neglect, and environmental crime analysis. Additionally, the presence or absence of certain insect species can indicate whether a body was moved after death, buried, or left exposed to the elements. In some cases, insects can even provide evidence of drug use or poisoning, as toxins ingested by a victim may accumulate in their larvae, offering further investigative leads. These findings can be essential in corroborating or challenging witness statements, helping law enforcement build a clearer picture of the events surrounding the death. Forensic DNA analysis is the study of genetic material to identify individuals. DNA evidence found in blood, hair, saliva, and bodily fluids can be compared to suspect profiles, victims, or crime scene samples. This branch is vital in solving crimes, paternity disputes, missing persons cases, and wrongful conviction reviews. DNA databases help in linking repeat offenders to crimes. Digital forensics involves recovering, analyzing, and preserving electronic data from computers, mobile devices, and networks. It is crucial in cybercrimes, fraud, hacking, and identity theft cases. Digital forensic experts retrieve deleted files, track online activities, and analyze digital evidence for criminal investigations. They also assist in corporate security and national cybersecurity threats. Forensic ballistics studies firearms, bullets, and gunshot wounds to link weapons to crimes. Ballistic experts examine bullet trajectories, firearm residues, and shell casings to determine how a weapon was used. They help establish shooting distances, weapon types, and possible suspects. This branch plays a key role in solving homicides, shootings, and firearm-related crimes. Forensic psychology applies psychological principles to criminal investigations, legal cases, and offender profiling. Psychologists assess criminal behavior, mental health, and competency to stand trial. They provide expert testimony, assist in suspect interrogations, and evaluate witnesses. This field also deals with child custody disputes, workplace violence, and rehabilitation of offenders. Forensic linguistics analyzes written and spoken language in legal cases. Experts examine ransom notes, threats, contracts, and witness statements to detect inconsistencies, authorship, and intent. This branch helps in fraud investigations, defamation cases, and cybercrimes. Linguistic analysis can determine whether a statement was coerced, deceptive, or misinterpreted. That's all for today. Thanks for visiting. If you've any suggestion or you want a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment and we'll make it for you. Thank you all.